And the weather's nice. Nicer, definitely than ours.
Look at these drapes. Oh, I love drapes. I think that a nice house drapes do it every time.
Oh, this the master bedroom? Gotta be. Hold on, let's go back through. Yeah, this the master. Even though this part is not all that spacious. I mean, it's big, but.
This is what I'm talking about. A closet, a washer, and dryer. I've been looking for this my whole life.
What? Where? Where you see washer and dryer? What? That is dope.
I see this lady on social media. I can't think of her name. But she has like a laundry room. She might be in Tennessee too. I can't remember. It's either Texas or Tennessee. But she got like a laundry room on every floor with her, with a big closet. I gotta show it to you. It's just gorgeous.
I like this. So this is the man. And we're gonna see.
And I love this tub too.
I like how they did all this. Oh, this wallpaper kind of dope. I don't really like wallpaper, but I like this one.
It's nice.
I like this house. What's this? Oh, this is just a little toilet. I like the little. What's that? The basement?
Yeah. Maybe.
You don't even know. You just going somewhere. You could be going to your doom.
I'm covered in blood.
Covered in the blood.
Okay. Maybe like a lounge area.
It's a basement. What you mean?
I'm right here, like it's a
Wow, this is
lounge area.
very nice. Okay. Smell good too. Smell like money. You feel me?
Oh, okay.
Smell like millions of dollars in here. Check the walls. It's crazy how the paint make the room look brighter. Cause it's got the same amount of lights.
Different bathroom, and I do like that idea. Very big closet. Back here.
Okay, I like that. I like the floor. Oh wow, this is nice.
Mm-hmm.
Man, I'll be picking the good ones. Go to the top though. I love these lights on. I'm gonna do this on one of the houses. I might do this in my rooming. Ooh, they got them same ones we be having.
Okay, so then you got this.
That house right there is humongous. The one on the hill.
It's tall. I like the tallness of it. I love how it's tall.
Yeah, they got, what's that, about 15-foot ceilings? Yeah.
And it envelopes you, right?
Look how tall, look how high up it is. Look down.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
They all got real big closets.
Mm-hmm. Anything more closet space? Toilets over here. The rest of the bathrooms over here.
Oh, that's dope. Nice. Love these floors. Floors is fire. This place is huge.
This I think this is another laundry setup possibly.
Good Lord, these ceilings even taller. Man, hate to have to change a light bulb. This is a bathroom. Oh, it's locked. Like peeing. Ooh, this is nice. See that? What is that called? That's witchcraft. What is this thing called? It's witchcraft. Keep the spirits out. Bad spirits. Am I wrong? Anyway, hush. I'm looking at this beautiful floor they did with the Italian marble. You know what I'm saying? You don't know what I'm saying? Nice. What's over here? More rooms. More closets. Man, listen. Yeah, I move here, no state tax. You know? Whatever, so what? I think my color wrong. Where you at?
I don't know what kind of contraption this is, but look at the staircase to it.
I like that wood. I don't know. It looks like it's a thing for the pool house, with a second floor.
But I like to see.
And it's a lounge up there. That house is fire though. Look how big it is. It's a mini castle.
It looks like it's got an attic up here, so it's probably extra storage space.
So this is just like basically another little playroom. Not a play area, but you know, lounge area.
Yeah.
That's the word I'm looking for. I feel like I'm gonna fall down the steps with these on.
Well, I don't have my phone recording to fall, so don't fall.
I'm gonna try not to. What's this, the garage? Okay, decent sized garage.
3 car, wonderful.
Yep. 4 if they're all sports cars.